Recently, we discovered that both SabrEx and GraphX Agriculture bioseed inoculants would not be available to farmers. Good news for corn and soybean growers, there is a better alternative to both SabrEx and GraphX seed inoculants. MycoGold is an excellent replacement that is designed to maximize yields and improve plant health. MycoGold can help reduce the need for fertilizer use. The fungi and bacteria form a symbiotic relationship with plants, providing them with essential nutrients, such as phosphorus and nitrogen, which are needed for healthy growth and development. This means your plants will require less fertilizer to get the same benefits. MycoGold Corn Blend is an excellent replacement to SabrEx for corn growers due to its better inclusion of biological arsenal ingredients. MycoGold's blend of beneficial microbial strains help to improve soil health and nutrient availability, resulting in healthier, more productive plants. Additionally, MycoGold encourages disease suppression, supports root development, and increases stress tolerance, all of which can lead to higher yields. In short, MycoGold is a superior choice for corn growers looking for a reliable and effective seed treatment inoculant. MycoGold Soybean Blend is the perfect replacement for GraphX. It packs more biologicals to help maximize soybean yield, quality, and is proven to increase vigor and plant health. MycoGold Soybean Blend provides up to 10 to 20% yield improvement over GraphX. Like both SabrEx and GraphX, MycoGold is easy to apply, and an excellent seed treatment lubricant with its talc carrier. It's a great choice for any farmer looking to ensure the best possible results from their seed treatment. So make the switch to MycoGold, and see the amazing results for yourself. Learn more at mycogold.com.